Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all my review for this Hadineeon toaster. It's a really amazing toaster and I had to share it with you guys. So this toaster comes with a warming rack so you can warm up any pastries that cannot fit into the toaster itself. And the functions on the front are the bagel, the defrost, the reheat, and the toast buttons, along with that one major button. To use the warming rack, you want to press down on the left lever and place your, I'm using toast here, but you can use anything that does not fit in the toaster itself. So I'm using wide bread here. If you have the narrower bread that you usually get, that would also work great. I like the fact that the wide bread fits in here. And I'm going to set it to about 4 and we're going to see how it's going to toast. Once it's finished toasting, it pops up, and then the lever itself, you can push it up so you don't have to put your fingers down and you get burnt. So I find it's a little too white for my liking, so I'm going to allow it to toast. I'm going to drop that temperature, get it to 5, and this is what it looks like after I put it onto the number 5 setting. It's a little more toastier, a little color, and that's how we like it. We like it with a little more color. But you guys, this toaster is really amazing. I love the warming function. It's light, it's easy to use. All of your knobs light up with an LED light. So if you guys are interested in owning this, click in the description box where you would find more information for this amazing product. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.